Welcome to Uniview Academy. In this episode, we are going to talk about system maintenance of IPC. We will introduce software upgrade, configuration management, network diagnosis, log, etc. Let's get started. First of all, let's begin with software upgrade. Here we have two ways to upgrade IPC. To perform a local upgrade, click Browse, select the correct upgrade file, then Confirm to upgrade. Some devices support boot program upgrade, which loads the operating system. When we enable it, the operating system of a new version can be booted properly, and the camera can be upgraded conveniently. If the system is connected to EasyCloud, we can perform a cloud upgrade. Click Detect to check for the new version. If the system is not running the latest firmware version, click to upgrade. It will take a while. We need to ensure that the power supply is normal during the upgrade. Under Configuration Management, we can restore, import or export the configuration settings of IPC. Two restoration levels are provided here. One is default, it will restore all the settings to default except network and user settings. This level is the most convenient to choose from, since it will keep our current network and password settings. The other is factory default, which restores all the settings to defaults. We can tick the box and then perform this operation. To import configurations that we have backed up, click Browse and select the configurations we want to import. The camera will restart when the configuration file is imported successfully. We can also export the configurations and then import the file to other cameras of the same model that require the same configuration settings. Next is diagnosis information, which includes logs and system configurations. In this area, click Browse to set the folder location, and then export diagnosis information to our PC. By selecting Collect Image Debugging Info here, we can display the video with debugging information at the same time, which makes troubleshooting easier. We can also click here to restart the device directly. Now let's move on to Network Diagnosis page and see what can we get from this page. When we need some detailed information, we can export the current diagnosis info so as to troubleshoot some connection issues that happen to our camera. Here we can select the NIC to adapt to the local area network. Then choose to specify or filter the IP address or network port. If we have no need for it, just select all for both of them. Or tick the box to make the custom rules. The following step is to start capture and then stop capture after a certain period of time. We will get diagnosis files, which are really helpful in troubleshooting issues. The last topic is log. This page records every user-performed operation on this device. And it's also a very convenient and easy way to check if the operation is performed successfully. Select the period, main type, and click Query. It prompts us all the results according to the search. Click Export to save the logs. By analyzing logs, we can keep track of device operation status and view some detailed information. That's all for today's learning. Hope this will be helpful to you. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.